in this episode, shows you incredible situations, caught on the camera. Driver, abruptly avoiding another vehicle, hit stationary buses. Crossing an intersection, without stopping. Unexpectedly, the car drives out of the side, and causes a collision. These tow trucks, driving from the top, were unable to slow down. Sensational, Russian drift. This guy has really good driving skills. At the last second, the blue loaded truck began to brake. The worst driver, he turned a corner, chafing another vehicle that was parked. Silver sedan, it was so fast I didn't see any other car. This lucky guy had a good day. Police vehicle, he was in a hurry, there was damage when turning. At one point, the Honda driver's left front wheel fell off. Lorry by mistake, he did not stop in front of the other participants in traffic. The vehicle, running on the left side, was too fast to brake it. The best moment, when the ambulance almost rolled over. Bad driver wanted to pull away at the last moment, but the driver crashed his car himself. A trucker broke down his vehicle. The road was almost impenetrable. On the left side, a traffic jam in which it got longer by the incident. This man confused with the acceleration pedal, and reached a too high velocity, hitting the car in front of him. It was a bad day.
Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality purposes.
My name is Leanne. Is everything all right? This is Leanne Sunday Willing. Is everything all right?
Avoiding the obstacle, this driver decided otherwise. Unexpectedly, the hatch covering the opening in the way was thrown into the air. The Russian driver did not adjust the speed to the time of day and calculated the distance. An intersection is an inappropriate place for two vehicles to meet. At the same moment, these guys ran into each other. Lack of proper training in driving a car In this situation it ended up like this. Unbelievably, how this driver drifting, almost without abrasions. The delivery truck was stubborn enough to push itself centimeters to the left side. At one point, the transported goods that had not been tied to the car fell off the pickup.
Please do rate it because I want you to keep doing the podcast. I'm not going to stop doing the podcast.
Red sedan was about to turn, but at the last second, he changed his mind.